Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you in the Power BI how to create country-wise averages and store it as a new data file. So there's a panel data file shown here. I wanted to make a country map, but the problem is that the countries that are shown here are there are different countries in the data. So if I can sort here, you can see country-wise data and then years. I wanted to create a country-wise average of sys1 and sys2 variable so that I can plot it. So, but the issue is that most of the people do it in the Excel file using the pivot table and then bring the data here. So in this example, I will show you how to do it in the panel in the Power BI itself. So what we'll do is go in the Power Query, come here, make it a full screen. The Power Query, what you will do is first of all you will right click these queries and you will press the difference FF button, so it will create a new data file. You can change the name here. So it will be country averages. Okay, so I will remove the bracket here. Then I need to average across the countries. What I will do in this data file, I will press group by and it will open a new page. Now I will apply advanced first feature and then across the country, I will first of all select the first variable is one average. It will apply an average on which data I will pick up the sys1 and then another variable, sorry, s2 avg, and it will apply an average on other variable and I will select the other variable. So when I will apply it, it will create a new data and which is the average for each country. So there's only one country name and there's one observation for each country. So when you close it, it will ask you to save it. When you press save, it will go to the original window and you will see two data files being stored and there will be two data files. Now what you can do is you can come here as a map and I want to make first map one map at a time, so I will make it as big as possible. Now I will select in the country averages, I will select the country name and the first variable. So it will start plotting. First, secondly, I also need that the scale should be smaller. So I will come here and in the legend and then there is fill colors. So there are too many colors. So how to do it? You need to convert it into an ordinal form. So what I will do, I will come here and apply new group and I will name it. So we can change the name anytime. So I will select bins and number of bins. So I will select 5 bins. From the continuous data, it will now convert to ordinal data. Okay, and come to visual again, and then I will select the bins data with the country. Now I need to make sure the colors are in a way that it shows high and low. So you come in legend and then colors. So here the bigger number means bigger the value. So I will take blue for the big and then lighter blue and very light color in the middle, then red for low and dark red for very low. So this will represent our system variable. So it's a systematic risk. So technically the color should be opposite. So what I will do is that in the map I will go again and make sure the colors are opposite. So I will select blue here, lighter shade here, very light is already there, and the lighter shade already here. So it is showing the system risk type 1. So now you also want that you need to change the title, so you can change by going in the details here. So I will go in map settings. I don't need I in the legend, the text, and see title. So system 1 risk. Okay, so the title is there. Then you want more changes, so system one risk is here. There are more controls. You need to change all of them one by one. So in the title, system one risk. So the heading has been updated. Now I need to make sure that my legends are rounded. So I will select these numbers. I will select the system one risks, and I will go in numbers, view, and you can so in order to reduce this, you select the variable here, and then you will see a column tools. Then you just you just press this number to press this for all the variables, and then reduce the uh, to change the decimal places. So you can make it 0 or 2. So this way your decimal places are sorted. So this way you can update your map. I think this is a way you can quickly draw maps on panel data, and I hope you understand how it is made. And also let me know how do you like this video. Thank you. Bye.